In this video, I'll show you how to give Windows 11 a clean, modern, stylish Prism-inspired look using Windhawk. We will customize the setting, notification center, file explorer, taskbar, and more. I will also show you how to use the translation windows effect and add a beautiful glass-like appearance to the interface. Everything will be explained step by step so you can easily follow along. And this is what your Windows 11 will look like after end of this video. If you enjoy clean, modern, and personalized desktop design, stay with me until the end and let's start customizing Windows 11 with this Prism-inspired setup. Windhawk is already installed on my system, so I will skip the installation part. Now open Windhawk. Now set the wallpaper, choose the Prism wallpaper and apply it to the desktop. It already looks beautiful and give Windows 11 a clean, stylish Prism-inspired appearance. Now open the text file. I have already customized the setting mods inside it so we can quickly apply it same look to Windows 11. First, taskbar height and icon size. Copy it. Open Windhawk. Browse for mods and search it. Click details and install. Now click advanced tab. Open the folder, style folder, open this script and copy it. Then paste it here and save. Next, translation windows, copy it. Then search here, details and install. This will add a beautiful translation effect to support Windows 11 app and make the overall design look cleaner and more modern. Now search it Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Details and install. Open this folder, open this script, select all and copy it. Go to Windhawk, click advanced tab and paste it here and click save. This mod will customize File Explorer and give it a clean, more stylish, premium inspired look. Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Now check out the default look. It's normal. Click details, then install. Open this folder, open script file, select all and copy it. Go to Windhawk, advanced tab and paste it here. Then click save. This will give the notification center a cleaner and more polished Prism-inspired look. Now again open text file. Windows 11 setting styler. Search it. Details. Check out the default look. Click install. Open script. Select all, then copy it. Advanced tab and paste it here. Click save. The setting app looks even more beautiful and matches the Prism-inspired design perfectly. Open text file. Copy Windows 11 statement styler. Search it. Details and install. Advanced tab. Go to folder. Open this script. Select all, then copy it. Go to Windhawk, then paste it here. Click save. Wow, the start menu look even more beautiful and fit perfectly with this Prism-inspired design. And finally Windows 11 Taskbar styler. Copy it. Windhawk. Search it. Details and install. Open folder. Go to script. Select all. Copy it. Go to Windhawk. Advanced tab and paste it here. Then click save. As you can see, the taskbar look much cleaner, more beautiful and perfectly match the Prism-inspired Windows 11 design. Now check out RAM uses. Go to Task Manager. Charge Windhawk. See the RAM uses. It's normal. And that's it. Our Prism-inspired Windows 11 customization is complete. We changed the Start menu, taskbar, file explorer, setting, notification center and more. I hope you enjoyed this clean and modern setup. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next time.